I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device is updated and your Google account is signed in so changes sync correctly. Once done, open Chrome directly. This is where trending searches appears and where you must act. You navigate to Chrome, //settings or tap the three-dot menu, then Settings. Make sure you're in the same profile that shows trending results, otherwise you'll toggle the wrong preference. This first step places you inside the app controls that govern search suggestions and trends. Next, you go into Settings Sync and Google Services, because trending searches is served through suggestion features. There, turn off autocomplete searches and URLs to stop predictive entries, and locate the specific trending searches toggle, disable it. Then, make sure to clear cached suggestions by visiting Settings Privacy Clear Browsing Data and select cached images and files plus autofill form data if needed. Once you've done that, trending terms will stop reappearing from stored suggestions. To finish, restart Chrome and test a search to confirm trends are gone. If you still see trending items, sign out and sign back into your Google account to force settings resync. Make sure the Google app or other browsers don't have their own trending toggles. Disable those too. If problems continue, clear app data or uninstall Chrome updates to reset defaults, then reapply the toggles. One troubleshooting tip. If trends return after syncing, pause sync temporarily while you verify each setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.